Welcome back. Sorry there wasn't a video out last weekend. I've been really busy. So because I got the engine away to the shop. So I've got all the little bits done. I'll just show you through all the bits that we did get done, which is everything I need done, which is great. So here are all the little bits that needed done. So I've got the magneto, the wire taken out of the magneto, and I've got a new wire to go in, and a new lead terminal. The problem is I didn't have the right screwdriver to fit in there, and it was really stiff coming out. But that means that the magneto video will hopefully be out just after this video, within the next week or so. I have the exhaust flange. I don't know if I showed you, but it had an old pipe in here that ended like here. So we got that all taken apart and we tapped it out. So that's all clean to go in, and I've got a new one. I've got a new exhaust to go on that. We made a little tap handle, a handle for the tap for the fuel. So that's all good. And we added on a new wire mesh to the top of the fuel, which is good. All the parts have come from stationaryengines.com, and they've been really good. All the wire gauze from there, and all the parts which I've bought, they've all come from there, and it's been really good service. We got the corner bolt drilled out of this engine, although they didn't have an Imperial 5/8 tap, because these are all 5/8, so I could have either done, I think it was 8mm metric, or I can try and get a 5/8 tap. So I'm going to try find a 5/8 tap, and then I'll get it and I'll put it on. On the bigger side of things, I got the old water flange taken out. I don't know where the new one's gone, but I've got the old one taken out, and we tapped out this whole thing. We made new taps because they didn't have the right size, so I can't remember which one it was. So they had these bolts, so we made a new tap. We just grinded off 2 edges and then welded on this bar at the top, and it works great as a tap. So because they didn't have the right size, we made 2, one for the hole on the side of the engine there, and one for this exhaust flange. Yeah, here. So this new one fits on perfectly in here. I'm gonna get some pipe sealant, and then I'm gonna put it back on. The main problem we had taking it in was getting the flywheel off of the crankshaft of that engine, just because the keyway was so tightly welded on. So in the end we made this to take the key out. I'll just attach it onto the crankshaft so you can see how it works. So if you just imagine the flywheel is on and the key is in the same position it was, what we did was got this backing plate and we placed it on the crankshaft and put it all the way through, and then twisted it so the front of the key hit this bit here, and then we got the other end of the thing. You can see, so what happens here is this tube is going to go around the crank shaft to protect it from bending and stuff, and this is all just welded on just so it didn't come off. So we placed that over the end like such. You can see here, so it's just pushing against the end, and the flywheel key is just in there pushing against the piece of metal. And then we got the bolts. We put 4 bolts in, and we've got the washers and tightened them up. So this one pulled against this one, pulling the key out because this one can't move any forwards, and with a lot of heat on the flywheel, it popped out, which is really good, which means I'm just going to be selling this, but it means that I can sell them separately instead of together, in case someone just wants a flywheel or someone has a good flywheel but needs a new crankshaft. But yeah, that's basically everything I got done out of the way, but it was great fun going there. It was like my first time ever welding and using an angle grinder, which was great. And hopefully I'll get some of them soon for my next project, whatever it will be. If you have any ideas for another good project after this one's finished, drop them down in the comment section. While you're there, drop a like, be much appreciated. So yeah, I'm also got all the dimensions for my trolley, and I'm gonna speak to a joiner, get that all done. And I'm sorry about like it's been quite infrequent with the videos. I'm up to my neck with school stuff at the moment, so it's just school, and I just don't have time to record videos and edit them. So I had a video all planned up to be up last weekend, but I just ran out of time to edit it. So I've scrapped that video. It wasn't that good, to be honest. And I will get it out again. But I'm gonna have videos out on taking all the rust off, and another video on the magneto. The people at the shop, workshop, said that before painting it, I should just put it all back together and get it running, which I think I might do. One thing that I'm getting told by them is I need to clean everything before I put it back together. Like I need to clean out all the bearings and everything. They are enclosed bearings on the crankshaft, the main bearings, so I'm not able to get to them. If anybody here knows the Lister D, do you think I should take the crankshaft apart and clean them, or do you think it'll be okay? Or should I just squirt some like oil down in there? Yeah. Any suggestions, please? Thank you.